Welcome back to Terry's Diverse Horizons. If you've watched enough Dawah videos, you've probably heard these claims. Jesus was never crucified. Jesus never claimed to be God. Jesus was only a prophet. Jesus prayed, so he can't be God. God cannot have a son. These arguments are often presented as instant knockouts for Christianity. But are they? Today we're examining 5 of the most common claims about Jesus and asking one simple question. Do these arguments challenge Christianity or a version of Christianity that Christians don't even believe? Let's dive in. Point 1. Jesus was never crucified. The Quran says Jesus was not crucified. The problem? Virtually every ancient source agrees he was. Romans believed it, Jews believed it, Christians believed it. Even Christianity's enemies believed it. This isn't arguing over what happened at the crucifixion. It's arguing whether it happened at all. So the real question becomes, do we trust the earliest historical sources or a claim made 6 centuries later? Point 2. Jesus never claimed to be God. This is probably the internet's favorite argument. Show me where Jesus said, "I am God, worship me." But historical figures rarely speak in modern debate language. Jesus forgave sins, accepted worship, claimed existence before Abraham, and said things that got him accused of blasphemy. Here's the funny part. The people standing in front of Jesus seemed convinced he was making divine claims. If Jesus never claimed divinity, somebody forgot to tell his critics. Point 3. Jesus was only a prophet. Jesus certainly was a prophet. The question is whether he was only a prophet. Because prophets don't usually accept worship. Prophets don't claim authority over final judgment. And prophets don't place themselves at the center of humanity's salvation. Imagine hiring a plumber who starts acting like he owns the entire city. Eventually, you stop asking if he's a plumber and start asking who he really is. Point 4. Jesus prayed to God. The argument goes, Jesus prayed, therefore Jesus can't be God. But Christianity teaches Jesus was fully human and fully divine. So asking why Jesus prayed is like asking why a swimmer gets wet. Because that's what humans do. They pray. Jesus praying doesn't contradict Christian teaching. It actually fits it perfectly. 5. God cannot have a son. This argument often starts with a misunderstanding. Many assume Christians mean God physically fathered a child. Christianity has never taught that. Son of God refers to relationship, identity, and shared nature, not biology. The debate often sounds dramatic, but much of it comes down to 2 sides using the same words with completely different definitions. And when definitions get mixed up, confusion usually follows. Today we've examined 5 of the most common claims made about Jesus, but we're just getting started. In part 2, we'll investigate some of the biggest claims made about Christianity itself. Was the Trinity invented? Do Christians worship Mary? Did Paul corrupt Christianity? Did the Council of Nicaea rewrite history? And was the Bible really corrupted? Join us as we separate popular talking points from historical evidence. Thank you for watching Terry's Diverse Horizons. And remember, the strongest beliefs should never be afraid of the toughest questions. Stay blessed, stay safe, and always stay humble.